Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Microsoft Edge as the default web browser in Windows 11. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Settings app, which can be located in the Start menu. Then within Settings, navigate to the left and select Apps. Then from the list choose Default Apps. In the search bar where it says Set Defaults for Applications, search for Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge, then click the Set Default button next to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. And there you have it. That's how you set Microsoft Edge as your default browser in Windows 11. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider giving the video a like. And subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you again soon.